Hi, Buddy.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, Buddy.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
See, my mommy's gonna do my hair. See.
My hair.
Yeah, mommy do my.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am starting on fresh washed hair. I just washed her hair. I didn't want to record a video of me doing so because I just did it last week. So I'm going to start off by combing her hair. Even though I just washed it, it still got a little dry. She took a bath right before we did this, and I didn't think her hair was going to get dry so fast, but her and I have really dry hair, so hey, it's okay. That's what detangling combs are for. I bet a lot of guys are wondering, okay, why isn't she spraying it with water to make it easy to go through? Well, that's a good question. Well, for her hair, I love when it's dry. That's the only way that I can really braid and grip is when it's dry. Now, it does have a lot of moisture in it. You guys can't see that, but it's like really moisturized. For some reason, my daughter loves when her hair is in her face. It's got to be touching her eyes. Yes, girl, shake that hair. Yes. So as you see, we will be using Shine and Jam. I love the Shine and Jam product because it really helps hold her hair as I French braid. Now normally I use the red bottle, but I just so happened got yellow this time. I think it was a little bit cheaper at the hair store, but it's okay because they kind of work the same to me. The first thing you're gonna do is make a part from ear to ear. Now I'm so particular on my parts, so you probably won't see me work on the part for a long time because I'm gonna skip it. But yes, I am so particular with my parts. They have to be straight. And you just want to section off the top part of her hair and section off the bottom part of her hair. It doesn't matter what side or section that you start on, but I'm just gonna start on the front because she's already facing me.
Okay, first I'm going to make my part on this side so I can start making a braid. And I'm kind of going to put it diagonal, a diagonal part, but then it meets me in the center over here. I'm going to take my shining jam and I'm going to just kind of put it on the perimeter of the part that I made. Kind of brush it up against the hair just a little bit. You don't want to put it like directly on the hair. And I put a little bit on her edges. This is not going to act as edge control for me, but I just put it on there just so to help me grip while I braid.
braiding it the opposite way of from what I've been braiding, because she likes to have 2 braids on the side of her ear sometimes. Okay guys, so when I get close to her edges are pretty short. So I'm just taking a rubber band and kind of grab the hair, and I take a rubber band just to secure the hair so the hair won't lift up. And I'm only going to wrap it around probably 4 or 5 times. I'll do 5
because you don't want it too tight on the edges. I'm gonna do the same to this side. And I'm just gonna wrap a rubber band around each braid. Just 4 times. Because this is like the center of her head, and you don't want your child's head to hurt in the center and then there'd be scratching and stuff. Okay guys, and now I put all rubber bands on each braid, and even the 2 in the front, and I'm just going to take my, what is this called? The Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste. We really like this stuff, and it smells really, really good. Does it smell good? Smell good? What does it smell like?
So many.
What?
So many.
So many what?
Taste.
Okay, please don't taste it. Okay, I'm just gonna put it. Hey, stop. Hold it and don't touch it. Don't touch the inside. Stop. I'm just gonna put it on her edges. And I just take my brush, or her brush, and I just brush it in. She really doesn't have baby hair like that. At least to me, she really doesn't. Thank you for watching. Good job. Say bye.
Bye.